Hello everyone and welcome back to Review 3, Gangs of Dead Spiral. Last time, we found out that some zombies are in fact intelligent, which I wonder what causes that, so we're gonna need to do research on that for sure. And we've also did some peacekeeping, attempting to quell the war between two factions, and it succeeded, so I reckon we've already done some good. And we're gonna try in this episode we're gonna try to ally both of these factions against the governmental faction. We're gonna attempt to make a little confederation against the regime that's been terrorizing this place for a while now, and finally bury the remnants of old America. Well, probably not fully yet. I wonder how they're called. What's this faction name? I think it is the government, right? Yeah, the government. Have to make sure. This other trader. Why is his rank so high though? Set to St. Michael's. There you go. We need as much positive relation as possible. Come on. Take that over. We should probably also send Matt to talk with some of this folk around here. Yeah, we can probably do that. Hold up. No. You just defend. Gonna send you to the undead to do some deal. Because I really like these guys. Go on, let's talk. Right, I forgot. I'll come back when I have a pistol or a science book. That's right. Talk with Rufus. Kind of food. There we go. I went a little hungry. Play. Other effects. Alright. Yeah, this one's challenging. Generators random in the morning and evening. One fuel per week. Oh lord, we're not gonna what's it called? We are not gonna manage to run this generator so well because fuel is very scarce actually. Found some materials. That's pretty good. Maybe a gas station somewhere. Oh, you're not a gas station necessarily, but looks a lot like it. So maybe golf club. Alright. Oh, they attacked over there finally. Took them a little. Oh my goodness, how many are there? Oh wait, there's two guys over here. Why are we feeling sad, folks? Where is the shower chat? Didn't I demolish it? Well, we should build a bar, but unfortunately for some reason can't quite do that. Found food. Ammunition. Oh shit! Didn't notice them there. Oh, he got a helmet! He looks funny in it. Maybe you could send you to over here. Help out. Yeah. Fred says food for a moment. He's fine. Right. No step back defenses. Who can talk to you again while we're at it? Man, I'm yelling like crazy. So the surface. Okay, feels like I had everything about this place. Where's the basement? There we go. No, alright. So I forgot we can just continuously attack. And not continuously attack, my god. Continuously utilize diplomacy. Ooh, I see somebody who could recruit. Oh, loud! Really, no? Come on. Oh, well, we got an injury. Look at you, there we go. Okay, 74, 60. We could have like eliminating this so-called government, but I don't think that's the right thing to do. I think you already hit them. Once again, get lost. You think you can take stuff from me? Oh, the undead are coming with something. Perhaps. They need to watch out, because might end up being mistaken for regular zombies. They should have some sort of an identification tool so that it's easily visible that they're not actually those more brain dead zombies. Nothing to see here. Okay. This place over there. You could take this one all over. Nothing maybe not. Maybe not it. Right. Now we can talk to you. But somebody had to attack while we're at it. Of course. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, sure, give us the kids too. In the meantime, we're gonna continue to spread over this area. Zombie attack. No. Traumatized. Oh shit. We're about to attack over there. Yeah. This is some rapid expansion going on right now. Oh, we do have a church over there. Forgot. Oh, there it is. Okay, maybe not. You defend that area, please. With him. This is some intensely rapid expansion for real. Oh god. Enemies. Just trade them with some food because it's pretty much free at this point. Oh, we have up to 100 food now. When did that happen? I didn't even notice. Could do some extra there. No, I'm not betting any of my ammunition. Get out of it, Gustav. You will never make such a deal with me. For as long as I live. Totally skipping the fact that I already did it once. Okay, look this area real quick. Oh, we are gaining ground quickly. Okay, found all kinds of stuff. You know what, we're gonna need to reply some here because we need a net to do some more negotiating. Swap of Rufus. Adults are never happy. Adults are never happy, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, get out of here. I am reciting my computer right now. You'll never make me. Die 400? Holy shit, I didn't even realize it was going here for so long already. Pretty much a year already. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Also blow this place up. Because that's gonna give us a lot for sure. And expand over the here as well. Oh. Oh shit, there's somebody over there. I'm about to attack our hospital. What do you think you're doing over here? I'm gonna allow them to expand into here if they need that. They grow up so young. Is that... Are they trying to ride us here? Wait, are they actually gonna ride us? Oh my goodness, they're actually going to ride us. Well, you've overstayed your welcome. Now you are definitely getting it. Are they actually about to attack us? Are they actually? Hold up. Because if so, then that's a declaration of conflict. Yeah, you heard me. They're actually attacking us. They wounded one of our comrades. This type of behavior cannot be accepted. I will not accept this type of behavior. This ain't about to end well for you. I think I can go back. What does this government think they are? I forgot. Can't have a computer. And yet they helped us. Well, I mean, kind of foolish of them. Because we're just about to destroy them, but you know. Oh shit, what's that? Kill Banshee? I don't think so. Can't believe that, it's okay. Well, somebody was wounded. No, I'm just gonna loot this one, I'm gonna take it over. Found some food. Sure, adapted. Why is everybody so mad right now? Not, I'm gonna need to go and preach them obedience and no, not obedience, what? Oh, new person. That's all. Go ahead, man. Take them both. There we go. One of them is sick, but he'll get over it. Ooh. We should be able to ask other factions to help us with some things. That would be really cool. Because they keep asking us, why wouldn't we ask them? How's the situation with the factions currently? 70% respect, 60% respect. Yeah, we'll get there. Focus surface again. Explosives. Ooh, that's gonna be an issue. We'll figure something out. Oh, right. I completely forgot about this territory. Also, this guy looks. The guy that I just sent to take care of it looks kind of goofy. Goodness gracious, that's a lot of cards left and right. But at the same time, a lot of humans to do them. Protection money? Talk them out of it. We need to buy time. So I can continue preaching over there. What level of leadership are you? 10, damn. I go up so rank, we got another dude. There's so many people in our colony right now, it's kind of crazy. I need to start managing them a little better, because this is a little comical. Yeah, sure, take that over. I won't mind it. Okay, maybe they will. What, where, when, how? Yeah, I see. Yeah, nothing too difficult. Of course, something had to break. Oh my goodness, how many appearances there? Oh my goodness! Alright, I recommend. Oops, what I meant to do. I reckon if we try really hard right now, and need to get like the things that we need, so the fuel and the fuel to make the explosives, or the explosives, and the pistol and everything, pistol or science book, then it will be good. We should try and find a laboratory or some place where there could be guns. Or we could raid the government in exchange for them raiding us like that. Maybe not. Wait, fuel. Fuel. There's a gas station. Gotta be fuel there. Saboteur attacked. Okay, oh my goodness. Found fuel, yes! And it's immediately disappeared because we have the power plant going. Found more fuel, immediately disappeared. Yep, found more fuel, immediately disappeared. Found more fuel, immediately disappeared. More fuel, immediately disappeared. Oh my goodness. More fuel. Oh, okay, hold up. Bomb that. Oh wait, we can create a mission for free? Oh, if only I knew that. Oh, come on, don't tell me. Really? Oh, wait, oh my god, really? Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Gustav. Come on. All together, man, to get him to join us. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, we don't have fuel. Why do you not have fuel? Oh man, really? Gustav, come on. You can. Oh, whoops. You can do better than that, come on. Why did it. Excuse me? No, leave. Why is it not full screen? Stop. What just. Why is that, Windows Enter? Hello? Why is it not full screen? Call them after render. Why is that? There we go. Thank you. Okay. There is still a lot of like unexplored territory, what I just realized. And I'm talking a lot. Come on. Let's have a little conversation. And let's send some more people into here because this is fucking unbelievable what's going on over here. We are already under siege. Yeah, we can elaborate on people. Sorry, there we go. Do they not sound like a gas station in here? Nope. No. There's a lake over there. Not another survivor. Ja, to stąd, nie? A soldier, sure. I should catch some out there, dang it. No, I'm not betting any ammunition, nothing. How about that? Probably next some ammunition, honestly. Yeah, one moment, take the looking. Maybe I have to find a pistol. No. A science book. Is there a library somewhere around here? In it, let's found a school. Yes, school. Maybe in the school. I found absolutely nothing in the school, except some military food. If someone already been through this one. Maybe here, a pistol. Pickaxe. A pickaxe in the police station. Come on, man! All I need right now is food. Not food. All I need right now is. Oh wait, that's another gas station. All I need right now is either what's it called, a science book, explosives, or that gum. What's it called? Fuel. Okay. Stop to drink explosives. Produce immediately. But we need more than that if I remember correctly. I know we could just refuse tasks and take the very little disrespect they're gonna give us, but like, come on. It can't be that hard to find a pistol. Or them fuel. 2 explosives created, okay. Please tell me that's enough. For ammo. There we go. Toolkit surface. 2 explosives. There we go! They blew something up like crazy. Oh man. But I like me more now, 70%. Soon we'll be able to ally them and then they're undead. Does any of you have a pistol now that I think about it? Or a science book? Trade. Science book, yes! For one of these and for some ammunition maybe? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Trade. There we go. And now talk to you. Oh my lord. Let's reinforce this place. There we go. Okay. I need to learn to use trade more often because trading can be actually insanely useful in this game. Apparently, there's no sound to this one. What's the time on the video, by the way? 30 minutes. We can end soon. Talk with Jesse. Give him a sign book. There we go. We can end soon. Let me just stay and ally one faction. Who do we go with first? I think it's gonna be Zeri with the humans for now. Though I prefer the zombies, I'm not gonna lie. Rufus, what else do you need? Backpack, baseball bats. Okay. A backpack or a baseball bat? Let's see what we can do. You don't even have that. How about you? Do you have any backpacks or baseball bats? No? Do you need anything? We're nearly out of ammunition. Boss would pay nearly double for it. Okay. We could get something done here. With the ammo done. Oops, didn't do that. Submachine gun. Well, we could use some medicine. In exchange for some ammo. There we go. And I like customer. Still gonna try and ally one of the factions though. Right, I forgot. The baseball bat or the backpack. Well, none of them have that here, so... You know... I thought it'd be difficult. How it's so funny how it's so funny how what's it called? It's so hard in a big as American city to find a baseball bat or a backpack. This way around everywhere. Like unironically, they're just everywhere. They're just out there. Like you just trip over them. I don't know how it's difficult. Found a whip. Somebody interesting was living here. Baseball bats, there we go. There we go, buddy. You wanna ally me yet? No, you still need a little bit more to fully want to be friends with me. Which we can probably accomplish sooner or later. We might as well also trade with you. Since that also actually asked you if you need anything. You nearly out of medicine. Oh, well, can't really trade much with that. No, you don't have that really. Well, we could get the megaphone here for free. Wait, hold up, no. Because we can just give you food and that's pretty much an infinite mana glitch. Come on. Okay. There we go, they like me until more. Can we get them something worth more? How nice. Didn't think they will eat to the cancer rats. But turns out it does. Spread out, gentlemen. Also, what's new with you, Undead? Debated. I'm gonna be changing some policies right now. Give me the boomerang real quick, kiddo. Still gonna try to format this one alliance in this episode. Oh, finally they're ready to attack us. Took them a little bit. Ah! Okay! I mean, that would be kinda gross with a literal walking corpse, but... Okay, all out, 79... 81, oh, okay. We are nearing it. Can probably get there soon. Focus Rufus. Alan's never ever happy. Talk feel again. Just talking left and right. Not never catches a fucking break. It's almost comical how he just completely zooms around the whole map. Really beautiful. Summer camp. Oh yes. Oops, not the time to do. Oh, so somebody forgot to scavenge. Not somebody, it's me of course. Oh! Who, what, where, when? There we go. Right. Okay, nuts, now we can talk some more. Talk with Jesse. Sure. There you go. How much more do we need? Not much more, okay. Let's look to you again. Oh no! Defend this. This whole place right here. Go to purpose. Accept the gift. There we go. Give us some stuff. There we go. Oh, wait, I didn't read that even. Oh man! Oh, Nat is looking stylish. He put on a cowboy hat. And we don't find some further fuel. The government is still helping us, which is kind of funny. Go, let's talk some more. We need peace. And also I'm gonna say now because I'm not ready for the war yet. 90%, 87%. Okay, we can easily keep boosting that. And so I think we can actually manage to get both of them at 8 within the duration of this video. I'm gonna lie. Explosives again? Oh my goodness, really? Really now? Come on, man. Talk to you again, huh? Maybe this time you won't get hurt. Peaceful Utopia, and healing something. Okay. Offer expert advice. There we go. We're nearing it! We're very close now. Let's see, what do you want? Talk with Jesse. Sure. To save whoever got in trouble there. Done and done. There we go. Nope, that's us government. Can ransom sure. Stuck a few now. After we've already resolved this issue. We saved him. There we go. How much more do we need? Maybe we are able to jinx it with the trade? Not quite. 92 and 96. Not quite, unless... What if we trade you really good? Ask if they need anything. Really out of materials. What if we just give you some of the stuff for free? There we go. I like that title. Oh! They like us enough, actually! Okay. Go on ahead and chat with them, man, whenever you can. And chat with these guys before while you ratted, so that we have time. Okay, Furfus. Oh, we need explosives. Go on now. Come on. Not yet. Still 100%. There we go. Ally time! Besties! There we go. Time to ally. Official allegiance has been... Official allegiance is being currently now... 5 rations, sure. Official allegiance is being signed right now. Afterwards, all it takes is to ally the kids and we'll be good. Go on, no nuts. Go on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now we got some invasions. How strong is this horde? Oh my goodness, how strong is this horde? How strong is this horde? Eliminate them. Research this. Our medical. Reason for medicine. There we go. There we go, one alliance announced. This is Trip his head. How the partner in his percent to green. The other rotten stood to the side, avoiding our people as much as our people were avoiding them. I asked to see if they were going to come out of the sewers and leave in the city now. But he shook his head. Every trial has its paddles, but our done get washed out in the flood. The ceremony was brief. He politely welcomed our not quite anymore friends into the alliance. There we go. Very cool. Now come on, Rufus. Or Rufus, was it? Yeah. Alright, you still need the explosives then. Well, how about we jinx it a little once again? How's your respect? We just need 8 more percent. Okay, we can probably figure something out. You need anything? Okay. Oh, medicine. Okay, how about this 50 food? There is 6, just 2 more now. That's fairly easy to achieve actually. Okay, just 2 more. We can easily do that without... You think the explosives? I forgot about this place. I forgot about this place. Come on. Really buried the area. And spread out a little bit, gentlemen. Okay, now we need to talk to you. What all we need now is that you want to trade with us. That's all we require currently. 99%. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Rufus. Go on now. Still the one medicine. It's fine. No need to worry. We got you food. Food is the best medicine, and you didn't like us more. What the hell, Rufus? Unless you already got us to 100%. Let's see. Please tell me it's already 100%, and that's the only reason why. Yep. Yay! There we go. We managed to get alliance twice in the same two alliances in the same episode. I expected this to take far longer, but we locked in and we did really good. In the next step, and so that's scary. Okay, take care of that. Take care of that, and we'll be fine. Alright then. So, they didn't want us to end the episode clearly. Come on. Alright, so we've managed to ally both factions, both of the factions that we wanted to ally to, and in the next episode we will be eliminating the government. The alliance has been announced. So yeah, we will be going to the war. We will be waging a war against the government in the next episode. But as for now, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe not to miss another videos. And I hope to see you in the next one, where we will likely beat the government to it. I hope.